Morning. Hey, hey, hey. Here we go. A man, me, a pan right there, and a plan. This is going to go fast, all right? Here we go. Scrambled eggs. I've already scrambled it. This pan, I greased it. We're doing an egg bake. We're going to see how much stuff we can get in this pan before it overflows. I thawed these hash browns out. Maybe see me do this once before. I put them in there later. I don't want to do that this time. Just gonna chunk 2 in, 1.5. It's called Clean the Fridge. Clean the Fridge Sunday morning breakfast bake. We got some ham going in there. That's some bacon from, I don't know, yesterday, day before, going in there. Some Canadian bacon in the middle here, a little bit left from some pizza things we've been doing. Got some homemade brat. That's half venison, half pork. Had a couple of them left. They're going in there. You gotta start Monday out with a clean fridge. Alright, that's all the meat we're putting in there. We got a vegetable tray. There's some tomatoes going in there. You gotta cut them big. That way when the people that are coming over that don't like them, they don't have to worry about eating them. They can find them and spit them out. Some asparagus is going in there. Some onion going in there. Some broccoli going in there. We can hide him pretty good because they're kind of crumbly. They're about on their last day the way it looks. There you go. I'm just going to pat that down a little bit, poke them all down in there. We got some cheese going on top of that. It'll be a surprise. They won't be able to see what they're getting until they get a mouthful. There you go. We'll be back when she's done. Hey, why didn't you tell me? You weren't ready for the oven yet. Remember this stuff? Mrs. Dash, the original. There you go. One on top, a little bit of that. Little Dano's green top. That's always good. It's good on just about everything. Then Dano's black top, the crunchy. Crunchy goes good with eggs. Now we're going in the oven. We'll be back. I put a little more cheese on that just because I wanted some. We plate. I'll show you what it looks like. Don't touch that. It's hot. I'm just telling you that. I didn't get enough oil on my pan. I can see that sticking in the pan, but you know what? We're going to get most of it. Just like this. There it is. Clean out fridge egg bake. We'll be good to go. Bye.